Yeah, people, what's up? I don't know. I do a little vlog for the Sunday morning, yeah. You see me? So, yeah, we got my cousin, I'll go up in the hills. You see me? So I wait for him because we're gonna ride a bike, go up there, you see me? And I get some really cool drone shots. I also post from a community tab earlier. So who wants to see a full drone video? There's not gonna be much content to film. So I'm gonna guys mostly drone footage. So I wait for him now, so when he reach, I don't know, I will show the bike and everything like that, and we'll go head up in the hills, get some nice drone shots, guys, and hope y'all just enjoy this one. It's not gonna be a fancy vlog, but hope you enjoy it same way, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, peeps. So I'm gonna wait for him now. When he reach, turn him at the camera. See camera on.
Mana dia mea.
What, mana? Apple this. Yeah. Yep. Just get the apple, people. Is it me? I gotta just get my apple from my grandfather. Yeah. So I go up now by the road, I'm gonna meet my cousin. That guys, nice clear sky today. It's a beautiful day. No rain. The people, I don't know, today is a really nice day. So yeah, just hope because hurry up and forward so we can just hit up on the hill so we can get some really cool drone shots for you guys. Alright peeps, I see my forward. Come in my brother. I run bike for me now. Reach your destination. Oh. Whoa! The pan stone nearly roll away. So we reach your destination, isn't me? So let's send up the drone now and show the guys what I'm going, isn't me?
Are breaking down when we falling with our head on the ground. Do you feel it's reaching now? Can you hear the curtains fall? It is certain, it's emerging. We've been waiting for the shadows to rain. On the surface, we are fearless, but we hear it coming. When the heart is filled with doubt, when the light is covered by cloud, can you hear the sirens call? Can you feel the curtains fall? It is certain, it's emerging. We've been waiting for the shadows to rise. surface, we are fearless. When we hear it coming, the word is out. On the surface, we are fearless. When we hear it coming, the word is out.
Used to be so simple. Haven't got a clue as to why the world is filled with lies. But then again, we're sinful. Guess we keep the truth to ourselves. Maybe we're hypnotized. This is I've been living. Shit's too serious, but I can't abandon this. I've been living, but I can't abandon it. With our eyes wide open, we won't miss a thing that you're doing. You better watch what you keep from us before it's too late to go back. Our economy is broken. We shouldn't have to kill ourselves to serve someone else. This is I've been living, but I can't abandon but I can't abandon it.
Alright peeps, so you don't know we get all of the shots we need now and thing, isn't me? I'm there on the bike. I go head back home, isn't me people? So just pick and stay for that. I go home now, put all of the clips them together, get them edit and post so you guys can see the beauty of the countryside same way, isn't me? I get all of the clips that we need because we only carry 2 batteries for the drone and the third one is charging. So we kind of get all of the clips, but hopefully these ones that you guys will see is good enough and you enjoy them same way, isn't me guys? So right now because we're going to pick up in bag, so we're going to just pick up the bag and we're going to head back home and go head watching.